everyone, welcome to Sarkari Study Point. Jail Warden Morning Shift Set B GK ਦੇ questions discuss ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। State executive consists of option B is the right answer, Governor and Council of Minister with Chief Minister as its head. Who was the advisor to the drafting committee of Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. Option B is the right answer. In which psychographic region of Punjab the cotton belt of Punjab is located? Malwa region. Option B is the right answer. Who presented demand of Punjabi Suba first time? Master Tara Singh. Option A is the right answer. The presidential form of government operates on which of the following principle? इस दे विच ऑप्शन ए जो है वो है कोऑपरेशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड लैजिस्लेटिव। ए पार्लीमेंट द्वारा फॉलो किया जाता है। एंड प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म दे विच की फॉलो किया जाता है? डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सैपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स। So option D is the right answer. Central government controls the state through different agencies and techniques. Which among following is not covered for this purpose? इस दे विच की इंक्लूड नहीं करांगे स्टेट पुलिस, क्योंकि गवर्नर भी आ जाएगा, ग्रांट्स इन एड भी आ जाएगा, ऑल इंडिया सर्विस भी आ जाएगा, लेकिन स्टेट पुलिस इस दे विच कवर नहीं होएगी। Which state or union territory has launched YONTAB scheme 2021 for students? एयर स्कीम लद्दाख दे विच चलाई गई सी। 9वीं तो लैके 12वीं क्लास वाले बच्चों नू टैब प्रोवाइड की गई सी। What is the full form of NOTA? None of the above. In 1960 Olympics, Milkha Singh got 4th position in 400-meter race in final. Who played the female lead role in film Bandit Queen? Seema Biswas. Next question. Who was the first woman judge in Supreme Court of India? M. Fatima Bibi. What are the first 3 words of the Indian Constitution related to idea of self-government? We the people. Which of the following authority conducts election to the office of President? Election Commission of India. East India Company signed Treaty of Amritsar with which of the following ruler? Raja Gulab Singh. The first sound Punjabi film Heer Ranjha using the sound on disc technology was released in which of the following year? 1932. The Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time by Indian Council Act of 1892. In post COVID-19 patient development mucormycosis, it is commonly known as black fungus. In which year Punjab government issued notification to implement super straw management system? इस दे विच की डाउट है 2017 दे विच प्रेजेंट किया गया सी, तो इस तो बाद उस टाइम में फेल हो गया सी, पर इस दे बाद दे विच इसनू इंप्लीमेंट करन लई कोशिश की गई। तो 2018 ते 2019 दे विच ये एक क्वेश्चन मार्क है। देखते हैं कि इसका आंसर की होएगा, बट फिलहाल दे लई तुसी 2019 मन के चलो। एग्जैक्ट ਇਹਦਾ आंसर नहीं हजे पता लग गया तो तुसी कमेंट सैक्शन दे विच दसो। विच इज द चीफ पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेटिंग बॉडी ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट? कैबिनेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The Indian national calendar is based on Saka era. साका एरा कदों तो स्टार्ट सी? 22 मार्च 1957. How many sessions of Lok Sabha take place in a year? 3. Which of the following article is related to duties of Chief Minister? 167. Article 167. Which of the following doesn't come under economic infrastructure? Education and health. क्योंकि इकोनॉमिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे विच की चीज़ां आंदियां ने? एनर्जी, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन. A bill cannot become an act of parliament unless and until it gets assent from president. Which of the following is the oldest oil refinery in India? Digboi. Which is the last railway station in India side between Amritsar and Lahore? Is Atari. Sirhind Canal is connected with which of the following river? Satluj River. Which river separates Malwa and Doaba? Satluj River. Which is the longest dam of India? Hirakund Dam. Who among following is the state legislature decides whether a bill is money bill or not? Speaker of Legislative Assembly. Next question is Speaker of Legislative Assembly. Next question is which among the following cannot be an issue between center and state? एक क्वेश्चन हजे सॉल्व नहीं होया. जे तुहानू इसका आंसर पता है तो तुसी कमेंट सैक्शन दे विच कमेंट करके दस सकते हो. सो इत्थे ये क्लास खत्म हुंदी है. थैंक यू फॉर नाउ.